This chapter primarily focuses on the effect of silica Fe1 tilase, soil stress, and their interactions on the agronomic characteristics of tomato plants on Entisol soil. High salinity leads to a decrease in plant growth, biomass, yield, photosynthesis, and water use efficiency as salinity stress negatively impacts the morphological, biochemical, and physiological processes of plants. Tomato is one of the most common and widely consumed vegetable crops in the world. This research was conducted in X-Farms greenhouses, agronomy and horticulture laboratories, and soil science laboratories, Faculty of Agriculture, General Sodenin University from January 2020 to April 2020. The experiment employed factorial randomized complete block design, RCBD, with 1 to factors experiments I. Level of conductivity, namely Co is equal to 0 deci-second per meter per pot, K is equal to 1 deci-second per meter per pot, K2 is equal to 2 deci-second per meter per pot, and K3 is equal to 3 deci-second per meter per pot, and doses of C fertilizer, namely SO is equal to 0 gram per pot, SI is equal to SG pot, S2 is equal to 10 gram per pot, and S3 is equal to 15 gram per pot. There are 16 treatment combinations with 3 replications. In total 48 experimental units were used. The variables observed were plant height, number of leaves, chlorophyll content, flowering age, number of flowers, number of fits, fruit weight, and fruit volume. Tomato blooms multiplied when C fertilizer was applied. Tomato blooms multiplied when C fertilizer was applied. Tomato plant height and weight were lowered by salinity stress. The quantity of leaves and blooms is influenced by the combination of soil stress and silica fertilizer, C. The highest number of leaves was at the dose of KCl 1 deci-second per meter per plant and silica Fe1 tilase 5 grams per plant, while the highest number of flowers was at the dose of KCl 3 ds.lm.l plant and silica fertilizer 10g plant. The application of C fertilizer causes the plant to maintain the number of flowers. C applied to plants has an effect on increasing the photosynthetic capacity. This has a positive correlation with growth rates such as the number of productive branches and the number of flowers.